Here are 5 things you didn't know about the Vorbunker above Hitler's final hideout. First, the upper level had a fully equipped operating room where Nazi doctors performed experimental brain surgery on wounded SS officers during the final siege. While the city burned above, they cut into living brains, testing procedures on men who trusted them. Second, on April 29th, Hitler's own bodyguards sabotaged his personal elevator connecting to the lower bunker. They disabled it to stop him from making reckless decisions during Soviet bombardment. Third, the wine cellar contained over 3,000 bottles of stolen French champagne that staff drank during their final party after Hitler's suicide. Fourth, a secret tunnel led directly to Berlin's subway system, allowing over 290 Nazi officials to escape, though most were captured within blocks. But here's the most shocking part. Soviet forces found the upper level still had electricity and running water for 3 days after Berlin fell. Hitler could have survived longer if he'd moved upstairs, but his paranoia kept him trapped below until death found him.